Well, now we got Dad running it. He ain't gonna mess around, he going quick. Hell yeah. Beautiful, folks.
On purpose.
You went slow at first, yeah. You can go pretty fast, faster than I thought you'd be able to.
Yeah.
Well, the bigger the tree, the slower you're gonna have to go.
Oh yeah.
But I think it's amazing.
You don't need to go
Hey, I seen
too fast right off.
I seen a guy on there had one for a few months already, and he said he loves the thing. Like it's worth every penny of it. I don't doubt it. Just have to look at the lumber we already got.
That's amazing machine.
We took the water hose to this lumber right here. Took the water hose to it. It's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh man, just a light sanding is what that one guy said on there.
You gotta put that in your shelf so therefore you're building it.
Just a little bit of light sanding or light like 80 grit, 120 grit belt sander would take that, clean that right off.
You made that thing for me.
All right, see ya.
You sand these and get these ready.
She's saying she'll help sand them and get them ready.
We're building on it.
All right, see ya.